Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? We've got makeup by Mario. Yes, Mario just launched brand new contour sticks. This has been a launch I think everyone in their right mind has been waiting for at least a year, since he came out with his line back in, when was that? Like end of August, September? So this is something that is flying off the shelves. Like, it's just one of these hard to get products. We've got it right here. I'm reviewing it for you guys. So I did half my face with it, half my face without it, so you guys could see. Let's test it out. If you guys love videos just like this one, don't forget, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. All right guys, let's get into it. So he actually launched 6 shades for these contour sticks, and I picked up the light because he said it was great for porcelain skin, and then also the light medium because it said it was great for light porcelain skin. So that's me basically. So I'm going to unbox these. I'm excited. So let's unbox number 1 first. So this is shade light. Okay, so this actually says it's a dual-ended stick. Okay. With a custom brush. Interesting. We're gonna test this out. We don't need this. This is actually quite large. I did not think this would be so big. Loving the packaging. It's nice and thick. Okay, mind it out of the gutter. This is really nice. I'm going to... Oh! Okay, so that's got little bumps on it for blending. That's fun. And this is actually really soft. That's great. I know with his eyeliners, he did attach the brush to the eyeliner for blending. I didn't actually love that. It's not that I didn't love the concept, I just didn't actually love the brush. If you guys haven't seen that video where I reviewed his first launch, definitely I'll link it up above and you guys can check that out. But this, I'm excited for. This is actually a really nice consistency for a brush. It's not as cheap quality as his eyeliner brushes. His eyeliner is drop dead gorgeous. I love it. Just don't love the brush factor. But this is good. So I'm excited for that. And this is it. That's light. Holy smokes, that is intense. Okay, and now of course I'm wearing a white shirt. I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand. Okay, so that's the light color. That is interesting. Let me go ahead and unbox light medium. Okay, so we don't need this. So the same packaging. So I actually picked up the light to be more of the bronzer and the light medium to be more of a contour shade. So I'm gonna actually swatch the light medium right here. So okay, so light, this one's light and this one is light medium. They're actually really similar in tone. I'm actually kind of surprised. So I'm just going to swatch these out, blend them into my skin because I'm curious to see how it blends with my fingertip. I'm getting a nice blend, so I like that quite a bit. And this one, which has been on my hand a hot minute, this one's also blending out quite nicely. Okay. Not mad at it. That blends out really fine and not mad at it at all. All right, so let's go in and see how this applies on the face. I'm excited for it. So I'm going to go in, take the shade light, and you know what? I'm actually just going to do half my face first, so that way you guys have a good before and after. So I'm just going to apply some little dots here where I would normally put my bronzer. So I'm just going to apply just a little bit right there on the tip of my nose. And I'm going to go ahead in and blend this out using the back of this little contour stick, which I'm excited for. So we've got our little, dual-ended contour stick right here. I'm going to start on my forehead, and I'm just going to basically rub that out. Again, dirty, I'm sorry. We're just going to take this and blend it into the skin. Okay, so first impressions, I'm blending this out, and I actually think the formula is pretty spot on, fantastic. Okay, so that is an amazing nose bronzer. I really kind of like that. Again, I'm only doing half my face to show you guys. So far, so good. I would normally go in and deepen that up, and I really think I should, but at the same time, I kind of want to play with the contour. So I'm going to go in with the shade Light Medium, which is the one I picked up to be my contour, and I'm going to apply it right here, just under the high points of my cheek. So I'm just going to take this, throw the lid on, grab the back of it right here. So we've got a little dual-ended blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out that contour. Okay, that is pretty fabulous, actually. Okay, I did not have to go in with that many passes to blend this out. Like, and it is just, like, I'm shook. Like, this is pretty amazing. So I'm actually gonna go in, take the other side of this, go in and just kind of cut that jaw, because I'm curious what that's going to be like. Now I've got my little blending stick right here. Just gonna blend out that jaw, because I'm really curious to see how that contours for a really nice cut jaw. Just blending it into my neck. Okay, like, wow. This is really amazing. Let me talk to you guys about this. Originally, when Mario launched his line way back in, I believe it was September, I was super excited for this because, you know what, it's Kim Kardashian's makeup artist and he's launching a line. I was disappointed in some of the products, okay? So this one, when I heard that he's launching these amazing contour sticks, I'm like all over Sephora's website. I ordered it the second it came out, and believe it or not, when I ordered it, which was 3 days ago, because it took 3 days for it to ship, because we're still in lockdown here in Ontario until Friday, but they were sold out. They were sold out of all of the shades that were for the darker medium skin tones, and they actually only had the light shades left. So I was super impressed that I could get my hands on it, just, you know, bar none. But this is just like, wow, okay? Like, this is taking me loving Makeup by Mario to a whole nother level. Like, his eyeliners, like I mentioned before, they are phenomenal. His liquid liner, his nude liner, the black and the brown liners, like, they're some of my favorites. Like, if you guys look in the description, I use them all the time. Like, this for a cream contour and a cream bronzer for summer, that, you know, hot girl summer kind of vibe, this is fantastic. Loving this. All right, guys, time to score this product. Starting with application, I think this went on beautifully. As you guys can see, I have it on this side of my face, and this side I don't have anything on it. This is just a great, you know, cream contour, cream bronzer for the summer. I really love it. I'm gonna give it a 10. I think for pigment, this blended into my skin beautifully. I think it's creamy. I think it's very well done. I love the formula. I think that I have to just be honest with you guys and tell you, I think that there could have been a little bit more shades. So just because that there is 6 shades, I am going to give this a 9 out of 10. So this product comes in at $35 Canadian, and I think it's a really great value just because, you know what, you get the blending brush with it, and you get a lot of product in this tube. Let me show you guys. So you get quite a good amount of product there. So I think that's gonna last you probably the whole summer. I am super impressed by this, especially with the brush. The brush is a really good quality brush. So, you know, way to go, Mario. So if you guys loved this, definitely check out the next video because I'm reviewing another bronzer, but it's a brand new one from Huda Beauty. But for this product right here by Makeup by Mario, I have to give this one a 10 out of 10. Giving this a final score of 29 out of 30. So would I avoid it, buy it, or wish list it? And honestly, I would run out because this is flying off the shelf. So if it's not sold out where you are, definitely run out and get this. This is amazing, not sponsored. I just absolutely love this product. Like, Makeup by Mario, yes, like, you're killing it. Like, this is a great one. I can't wait to try that blush. If you guys want to see more videos just like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss a beat, and subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye, guys.